Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Etsy SEO strategy for organic traffic, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of Etsy SEO. Research the keywords related to your products. Use tools like Etsy's search bar to find popular search terms. Consider using keyword research tools such as Marmalade or eRank. Identify both short-tail and long-tail keywords for a balanced strategy. Next, analyze your competition. Look at successful listings in your niche. Pay attention to their titles, tags, and descriptions. Take note of the keywords they are using effectively. Now, focus on optimizing your product titles. Incorporate your primary keywords at the beginning of the title. Make sure the title accurately describes the product. Avoid keyword stuffing, keep it natural and appealing. Proceed to optimize your item descriptions. Write clear and detailed descriptions that include your keywords. Ensure the first few sentences capture key details about the product. Highlight any unique features or benefits. Next, utilize tags wisely. Etsy allows up to 13 tags. Select keywords that represent your product, including synonyms. Use phrases that potential customers might search for. Next up, categorize your products correctly. Select the most relevant category and subcategory for your listing. This helps Etsy understand where to display your products. Now, focus on product photography. High-quality images can improve engagement and click-through rates. Use all available image slots to showcase your product from different angles. Next, encourage customer reviews. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.